Hi, in this video we will see how we can distinguish functions from their other relations. To distinguish functions from the other relations, consider a set A and a set B, where 4 from set A is related to 2 in set B and to minus 2 in set B. 1 in set A is related to 1 in set B and minus 1 in the set B. Furthermore, consider another two sets on the right hand side where 4 in the first set is related to 5, 1 is related to 2, and 0 is related to 1. If you have a closer look to both relationships here on the left side as well as here on the right hand side, here on the left hand side you can see that we have an element in A, which is the domain of the relation, is related to two elements in B. But here on the right hand side, each element in the domain is related to only one element in the range. We call such relations functions. Hence, a relation is a function if each element in the domain is related to one and only one element in the range. We can also check whether a given relation is a function or not using its graph. Consider, for instance, this relation. In order to check whether this relation is a function or not, we run a parallel line to y-axis from minus infinity to plus infinity and check whether in any point this line will have more than one intersection point with the graph. Now, if you check, the line is moving from minus infinity to plus infinity, but in nowhere we have more than one intersection point between the line and the graph. Therefore, this relation is a function. On the other hand, if you consider this relation here, and if we run the line from minus infinity to plus infinity, we can see that there are many points where the line has more than one intersection point with the graph. Therefore, this relation is not a function.